Gain the ability to fly, but it stops working when someone sees you. Get to play Prime Fortnite for the first time again, but you get diagnosed with dementia. Mr. Beast offers you $10 million, but you have to spend it with the first person you see when you click share and more. Have a muscular body, but you will be weaker than the average person. You will meet your true love, but they will be the same gender as you. You get $1 million each year for the rest of your life, but you show your meat every time you get jump scared.